Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Comfort Ergo 3-lever operated chair. Assembly guide. Included in the box are seat pad with mechanism attached, backrest, gas strut cover, 5-star base, 5 casters, 1 plastic gaiter. If ordered with arms, the following will also be included: 6 bolts, 1 pair of arms, 1 Allen key, and in some cases, 6 washers. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Take the gas strut cover and place it over the gas strut like this. If arms are not required, you can skip the next few steps. Turn the seat pad face down and fix the arms into position using the 6 bolts and washers if supplied. If the arms are marked underneath with L or R to indicate left or right, make sure they go on the correct side of the seat pad. The longer bolts fit through the armholes nearest to the outside of the chair. The 2 shorter bolts fit through the remaining armholes into the base of the chair. Do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Now pick up the seat pad and slot it into position on the gas strut. Slot the plastic gaiter over the back support like so. Pass the back support through the hole in the seat mechanism like this and fit the plastic gaiter around the back support. Set the back to the required height and tighten the back height adjuster on the mechanism. Please keep your Allen key to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it! Your Comfort Ergo 3-lever operated chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.